Hi, today we have an iPhone XS with the lately most common issue: can't set up the Face ID. It's the same move a little higher, move a little lower problem that is caused by the dot projector. So we are gonna start by checking the dot projector just to be sure with a tester. And as you can see, it shows the 4 X marks, which means it's the chip. You need to remove the adhesive to release the Face ID. Now we are gonna connect the dot projector to the programmer to unbind the Face ID chip from the phone. In order to do that, put the phone into DFU mode and then just press Pearl Unbind. And wait until it shows Unbind successfully, and you are good to go. Just make 2 markings so you can orientate the correct position of the dot projector when you glue it back. And then start applying heat and remove the glue that is between the gasket and the camera and the dot projector flex. And be careful not to damage the camera by overheating. Then slightly push the dot projector out of the housing while applying heat. Remove the chip using the soldering iron. I found it as the best way and the safest. Then clean the pads from the old solder and apply new solder, and make the jumper wire instead of the fuse transistor. Now solder the adapter. As you can see, mine has already solder pads, so I don't have to apply new ones. And then solder the new chip. The chip here already has small pads, so I don't need to reball it. Make sure that the chip is soldered very good, and then solder the capacitor. Now we bind the new chip to the phone. Enter the phone into DFU mode once again. And then simply click Pearl Bind and that's it. Now we test it on the tester. And it's working, so now we glue it back to the prisma. Here I have a new tool, which is the Dot Projector Precision Calibrator from Qianli. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you can order it. I really recommend this tool. It makes your life easier. To glue the dot projector back into the correct position, you just simply put the dot projector into the housing and then put the housing into the tool and then close it from the back. It has a special form to center the dot projector in place. Then simply add the glue between the prisma and the dot projector and let it dry. And now we test our work. And as you can see, it scans the face with no problem and unlocks it as well. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. See you next time.